Welcome to Joyful Minds!
Hello, I'm Neppy. Let's go to the zoo again together. What is this animal? Proboscis monkey. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Proboscis monkey. What does a wild proboscis monkey look like? What is this animal? Zebra. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Zebra. What does a wild zebra look like? What is this animal? Rhino. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Rhino. What does a wild rhino look like? What is this animal? Mallard. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Mallard. What does a wild mallard look like? What is this animal? Alpaca. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Alpaca. What does a wild alpaca look like? What is this animal? Hyena. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Hyena. What does a wild hyena look like? What is this animal? Hedgehog. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Hedgehog. What does a wild hedgehog look like? What is this animal? Reindeer. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Reindeer. What does a wild reindeer look like? What is this animal? Sloth. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Sloth. What does a wild sloth look like? What is this animal? African African buffalo. Yes, let's repeat again with me. African buffalo. What does a wild African buffalo look like? What is this animal? Bear. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Bear. What does a wild bear look like? What is this animal? Baboon. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Baboon. What does a wild baboon look like? What is this animal? Cobra. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Cobra. What does a wild cobra look like? What is this animal? Parrot. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Parrot. What does a wild parrot look like? What is this animal? Falcon. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Falcon. What does a wild falcon look like? What is this animal? Crane. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Crane. What does a wild crane look like? What is this animal? Bullfrog. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Bullfrog. What does a wild bullfrog look like? What is this animal? Cane toad. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Cane toad. What does a wild cane toad look like? What is this animal? Snowy owl. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Snowy owl. What does a wild snowy owl look like? What is this animal? Butterfly. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Butterfly. What does a wild butterfly look like? What is this animal? Slug. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Slug. What does a wild slug look like? What is this animal? Pigeon. Yes, let's repeat again with me. Pigeon. What does a wild pigeon look like? Now, let's summarize the animals we learned about today with Nippy. Proboscis monkey. Proboscis monkey. Zebra. Zebra. Rhino. Rhino. Mallard. Mallard. Alpaca. Alpaca. Hyena. Hyena. Hedgehog. Hedgehog. Reindeer. Reindeer. Sloth. Sloth. African buffalo. African buffalo. Bear. Bear. Baboon. Baboon. Cobra. Cobra. Parrot. Parrot. Falcon. Falcon. Crane. Crane. Bullfrog. Bullfrog. Cane toad. Cane toad. Snowy owl. Snowy owl. Butterfly. Butterfly. Slug. Slug. Pigeon. Pigeon. Thank you for watching. Like video, comment and subscribe.